My name is Brittany Andrews, and today I'm going to talk to you about pathogenic fungi by Brandy Guidry and myself, Brittany Andrews. In this first slide, we're going to talk about systematic mycosis caused by opportunistic fungi. Opportunistic mycosis do not affect healthy humans. Those with poor immunity are more likely to become a victim. 5 genera of fungi routinely encountered are Pneumocystis, Candida, Aspergillus, Cryptococcus, and Mucor. The next slide, we're going to talk about types of systematic mycosis. First type of systematic mycosis is Pneumocystis pneumonia, Candidiasis, Aspergillosis, Cryptococcosis, and zygomycosis. Pneumocystis pneumonia is observed only in malnourished premature infants and debilitated in adults. It is diagnostic for AIDS. Once fungi enters the lungs of an AIDS patient, it multiplies rapidly. And it also causes widespread inflammation, fever, difficulty in breathing, and a non-productive cough. Candidiasis is one of the very few fungi that can be transmitted through individuals. It can be passed to babies during childbirth and to men during sexual contact. And it also causes vaginal yeast infections. I meant to put an L at the end, I'm sorry. Aspergillosis is found in soil, food, compost, agricultural buildings, and air vents of homes worldwide. It is a growing problem for AIDS patients. It mostly only causes allergies, but it could cause more serious problems. It is responsible for causing hypersensitivity, non-invasive, and acute invasive pulmonary aspergillosis. And below is a picture of a patient who encountered this fungi. Cryptococcosis is found in Australia, New Guinea, parts of Africa, the Mediterranean, India, and Southern California. It infects primarily immunocompetent individuals, and approximately 50% of cryptococcal infections reported each year are due to strain neoformans. And below is also a picture of a patient who encountered this fungi. Zygomycosis is extremely common in soil, decaying organic matter, or contaminants that causes food spoilage. It is seen in patients with uncontrolled diabetes, people who inject illegal drugs, and in some cancer patients. It generally develops in the face and the head area, but it could also develop elsewhere and may spread throughout the body. And below is a patient who had this fungi into his eye. Next, we're going to talk about superficial, cutaneous, and subcutaneous mycosis. Dermatophytosis are infections that are caused by dermatophytes, which are fungi that grows only on skin, nails, and hair. These infections were once called ringworms in the past. Malassezia infection is a dimorphic that is a normal member of a microbiota of the skin of humans worldwide. This condition occurs in trunk, shoulder, arms, and rarely on the face and neck. Mycotomas are tumor-like infections caused by Ascomycota. They live in soil and are introduced to humans through wounds. Sporotrichosis is a dimorphic ascomycete that causes spirotrichosis. This infection is usually limited to only the arms and the legs. Next, we're going to talk about fungal intoxications. Fungal intoxication